Okay there, Captain. Shall we try to start this baby?
Okay.
Time to see if Mr. G's going to run after all of this time and effort. All right, so we're just going to short circuit. Yeah, that's our starter. That's our start button right now. So we'll see. This is I don't know. When did we get him?
3 years
17,
ago.
something like that. And if you've been watching the blog, you've been seeing lots of work on him, so I won't belabor you with that. But this is the first time we're going to try to start it. We've got diesel fuel, of course. He's filled up with water. He's got oil. He's disconnected from the transmission, the CPP and stuff. So we'll see. We don't know. We haven't tried it yet, but we'll soon find out. So here's the maiden start, we hope.
All right.
Countdown. Should we do a proper countdown?
Okay.
To ignition.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Now that's a Gardner. First crank, first time. Now to see that we're getting oil coming up to the rocker arms. You see all the oil. You see little tiny bits coming out of there. That looks good. Looks good. This is the drive shaft for our fuel injection pump. This is all fuel injection back here. Each cylinder has its own priming lever. It's big red number 1, our 250 amp alternator. And here's the drive system that we built to keep that turning around, and the chain is for hand cranking.